We have new details tonight about immigration raids that took place in Oakland, where 6 people were detained. This happened yesterday in the area of 79th and Hillside Street. This is in East Oakland. One of the 6 people detained at a home was just 17 years old, and another person has what is being described as a severe disability. That's according to an immigration attorney who is working on the case.
And according to that attorney, ICE agents knocked on the door, and when someone answered, the agents went in and arrested the people who were living in the house. They were then taken to a facility in San Francisco. The attorney who spoke with KRON 4 says he met with the 17-year-old and says laws are being broken.
No child should ever be in a detention center like this, and there are laws protecting children against that. He's very afraid. He hasn't, since yesterday afternoon, he hasn't spoken to any loved one. Regardless of the circumstances of an arrest, people still have due process, constitutional due process protections. Children should not be, under any circumstance, detained in a facility like this that's for adults, much less a facility that isn't really even meant to hold anybody for over a few hours.
That attorney noted that the 17-year-old in question was taken to a hotel to sleep, but then taken back to the facility in the morning. The attorney described the conditions at that ICE facility on Sansom Street as abominable, saying that 4 or 5 people are being held in a room with no beds, and they're being forced to sleep on the floor with only a piece of plastic as a blanket.
And that attorney added that it's not clear if any of the people detained have been charged with a crime. He says this is the first home raid his organization is aware of in the city of Oakland, but that others have happened across the Bay Area. He wants to remind people of their rights.
There are constitutional protections for everyone, and everyone has a constitutional right to remain silent. Everyone has a constitutional right to not open the door. Don't open the door. ICE can only come into the house if they have a judicial warrant signed by a judge, so a warrant from the court signed by a judge, or if a person lets them in.
We have reached out to ICE for a comment on this, but we have not heard back yet. We'll keep you posted.